Hi friends, today's video is on credit card and how the credit card use can bring some passive income to you for you also. Yes, you heard right. Credit card use can bring some passive income for you also. Please see this video till the end to get all the details. Most of us are using credit card. Some people are using more than one credit card also. But first I will discuss what are the disadvantages of using a credit card and what precaution you must take. Each and every credit card gives you a credit of 30 to 45 days on an average. You get credit card bill every month on which some of the details are mentioned like minimum amount due, total amount due and due date. Some people feel that if they pay minimum amount due, that is sufficient. This is a very wrong notion because if you pay minimum amount, your credit card use can be continuing, but on unpaid amount, bank will charge an interest. You may not know how much interest they are charging. On your home loan, you may be paying interest of 7 to 9%. On your education loan, you may be paying interest around 10%. But credit card companies are charging interest ranging from 20% to 35% also. This is due to the fact that they are giving one-way unsecured loan to you. There is no security. When you buy any product on credit card, they are indirectly giving you the loan for certain amount of days. Hence, they expect that you must pay on time, and if you default, then they charge very high interest rate because that is one way of income for them. Hence, if you pay your credit card bill on time, then you do not have to pay any interest. Sometimes we keep up to last date to make a credit card payment, but on last day some internet problem or some other problem comes and we do not make a payment. In such case also, credit card company will charge heavy penalty for a late fee also. Hence, please pay your credit card bill 2 to 3 days advance of the due date so that such issues will not come. You may be wondering from where the credit card companies are earning money if you are paying credit card bill on time. Whenever you swipe a credit card to make online payment or at any merchant shops, credit card company will deduct amount ranging from 1% to 2.5% from the bills paid by them to that online company or a merchant. This is income for them. Hence, sometimes you must have observed that if you are going to buy some high value item from any merchant shops, and when you, after making a deal, after the invoice is made, when you give your credit card for swiping the amount, then that merchant will tell you that for credit card, they will charge you 2 or 2.5% more, so that is the amount they have to pay to the credit card company. Or sometimes this merchant will tell you that if you make a cash payment, we will give you additional 2 or 2.5% discount, which otherwise you have to pay to the credit card companies. Now, let us look at what are the advantages of using a credit card. Credit card gives you a credit ranging from 30 to 45 days from the date of your purchase. If you are making a high value purchase during the initial period of the credit card cycle, and at that point of time, if you got a choice to make payment by debit card also, but if you are making payment by credit card, that means that much amount is remaining in your saving bank account till you make a payment on due date. This amount which is lying in saving bank will give you the interest. That is one way of passive income. Second thing is, if you got money but still if you make a payment by credit card, you can invest that money in some liquid fund till the credit card payment is due. So that liquid fund also will give you some passive income. Second advantage of using credit card is if you are making all your payment on due date for a long period of time, then your credit history will be very good. So when you go to any company for home loan or any other loan, you will get loans at a very competitive rates. Third advantage is whenever you buy anything on credit card, some points are added in your account. These points you can then redeem for some of the benefits given by various credit card companies. This is indirect benefit to you also. You must observe sometime some online companies or some merchant also offer cashback if you use a particular bank credit card to make the payment. Here also you can make some saving by using a credit card for such purchases. Hence friends, one advice, use your credit card properly, make all your credit card payment before due date and do not default on any payment, or do not make minimum amount due but make a total amount due on due date. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.